This is a signal mirror. It comes as a 2-pack. This is one of the things, if you do a lot of hiking or backpacking, you should just have this in your backpack just in case. It's one of those things that hopefully you never really need it, but if you ever do, this could literally be a lifesaver. This was sent to me so I could make this video. Let's have a closer look. So a couple things that I really appreciate about this. For one, it does have this paracord. Now, it's not super long, but it could be useful in an emergency situation to tie something down. But what I really like is it does have all of the instructions for what you would need here. It comes with this plastic coating on like this. Let me go ahead and take it off so you can see how nice the mirror is. So this is what the mirror looks like. I mean, it's not like a perfect mirror or anything, but in a wilderness or camping situation, yeah, you could use this as a mirror and you just got that thing in the middle, but that's totally fine. You can still see what you need to see, but obviously this is intended for emergency situations and this reflects just great. I do really appreciate that it has the instructions on here. Now, I did scouting when I was younger. I'm an Eagle Scout, so I am quite familiar with these signal mirrors and how to use them. But if you've never seen one of these before, you could easily figure it out just by reading the instructions. Basically, you just have this star hole to look through, so you kind of face the area of the sun. You look through it until you can see the reflection on your hand, and then you can kind of go from there to aim wherever you need to, whether it's a group of people you're trying to get their attention or a plane or helicopter overhead. And again, hopefully you're never going to need to use this, but if you have it in your backpack, it is really nice to have that it doubles as just a mirror. And you have this cord as well. These are also great to put in a 72-hour kit. They usually don't come with these, so you could just go ahead and put one of these in.